There was a time in my life when the harshest critic wasn't someone out there. It was the voice inside my own head. It was the whisper that said, "You're not good enough." The quiet doubt that turned into a roar every time I failed or fell behind. I didn't even realize it at first. I thought that voice was just being realistic. But slowly, I started to believe it. I started to become it. If you've ever caught yourself thinking things like, "I'll never get this right, I always mess up," or "I'm not like them," then you know what I mean. That's negative self-talk. And it's more than just unkind words, it's a habit. A silent pattern that slowly eats away at your confidence. But here's the truth. Just like any habit, it can be changed. It takes awareness, effort, and a little bit of patience. And it starts with 3 simple steps. Step 1, catch it. Most of the time, negative self-talk happens on autopilot. We don't even hear it, we just feel it. So the first step is to become aware. Start paying attention. Notice the words you use when you talk to yourself. Are they kind? Are they helpful? Or are they cruel, unforgiving, and rooted in fear? Step 2, question it. Once you catch it, don't just accept it, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this actually true? Would I say this to a friend? What's the evidence for this thought? Often, you'll realize that inner voice is exaggerating, catastrophizing, or simply lying to you. And when you start to question it, you take away its power. Step 3, replace it. This is where change happens. You don't just silence the voice. You replace it with a new one that speaks to you with respect. One that says, "I'm not perfect, but I'm trying. I've made mistakes, but I'm still growing. This is hard, but I've handled hard things before." The goal isn't fake positivity. It's balanced, honest self-talk rooted in compassion. Because how you speak to yourself matters more than you think. Your words shape your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your life. So if you want to change your life, start by changing your conversation with yourself. Talk to yourself the way you would talk to someone you love, because whether you believe it yet or not, you're worth that kind of kindness.